Encountered an INS file while configuring network connections on a Windows machine? This is an Internet Communication Settings file used to deploy connection profiles. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to apply these configuration files. The easiest fixes come first, but I want you ready for the ultimate solution, the magic utility that specializes in the INS format. Details below. Users typically encounter INS files when an Internet Service Provider, ISP, or Network Administrator provides a pre-configured setup for an Internet or VPN connection. The file automates the configuration of settings within Windows, such as dial-up numbers, server addresses, and connection scripts for Internet Explorer. An INS file is a text-based INI style configuration file. It contains sections and key value pairs that are parsed by the Internet Connection Wizard in Windows. This plain text design was chosen for its simplicity, allowing for easy creation and modification by administrators and automated scripts without complex binary parsing. We recommend using Microsoft Windows by Microsoft Corporation to ensure proper reading of INS. The file is susceptible to corruption when accessed by standard Windows processes. Windows provides visibility but no safeguards, so careful review is needed before changing values. We're testing the system's interpretation of the file's data. Right-click the INS file and click Open with Test Microsoft Windows first. If it's unavailable, choose another program. The right tool is key. If you still cannot open your INS file, that is okay. The file is resisting, but it's not random. It's one of 3 predictable basic problems. Here's a quick checklist of these common culprits and their immediate solutions. First, applying settings. Right-click the INS file in Windows Explorer and select Install or Open to launch the Internet Connection Wizard. Windows imports the connection configuration and creates the appropriate dial-up or network profile in Network Connections automatically. Next, editing configuration. Open the INS file in Notepad or any text editor to review and modify the configuration parameters. Edit server addresses, port numbers, authentication settings, or proxy configurations directly, while preserving the INI section structure for proper Windows recognition. Finally, deploying via IEAK. Use the Internet Explorer Administration Kit to create and customize INS files for enterprise deployment. IEAC provides a wizard interface for generating INS configuration packages distributed to multiple workstations through group policy or login scripts. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. Because the specialized software couldn't access your file, you need a dedicated universal solution. FileMagick is the one I always recommend. Visit filemagick.com for details. If you appreciate these expert walkthroughs, consider hitting the subscribe button to support the channel.